As sexy as your ass is, niggas gonna be geeking this season. You hit the button. That's all that was.
Didn't know that's what it was for. Y'all look how dirty the car is. The car hasn't been cleaned in a whole year. I had this car for a year, and it hasn't been cleaned in a year.
Well, you can't say look how dirty it is now.
I mean, I'm just showing them all the dirt. Look at all the dirt, y'all. And that's just up here. We haven't even went to the back yet. It's more dirt.
Oh, your seat on too.
I said my butt was warm. Because it's hot out here, y'all. It's literally hot. Look at this. Dirt. Look at this dirt. Oh, my pen. I was looking for my pen. This is one of my good pens.
So good about it.
Huh?
So good about
It brings... Oh, shit. Get the fuck.
it. It just brings.
It brings my content stuff out of my mind and onto the pages.
Okay. Support that.
And if you're still here after all that, drop a purple heart. Let me know you're watching my content. I don't think he's used to that, y'all. Yeah. Oh, that's Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid. Look at it. So filthy. So dirty. Y'all, I was vacuuming my side, and I guess he looked at my side, and he was like, I'm about to do your side. And I'm like, oh, okay. Maybe he's about to do a little bit more to it that I couldn't do or whatever, guys. And he came on this side, and he literally just was like, yeah, I'm just going to do the whole thing. And I was like, damn, so that must mean I ain't do nothing. That must mean I ain't do a fuck-ass thing now. And before y'all jump to conclusions, this is a friend. We're just friends. That's it. But I enjoy the company, though. Something different, you know. Don't feel depressed. Put on them. Cool friends. You know, you got cool friends, somebody you can call, you speak with, you know, something like that. That's how it is. If you know, you know. If you don't, get the fuck off my page. And y'all, we're gonna get this watch time up too. Cause I'm gonna get monetized on this motherfucker. Dirt, dirt, dirt. This is all for my car, you guys. Anyone knows crazy? He's gonna teach me how to drive my car, y'all. Y'all know I can't drive. I've been telling y'all that since I started this ish, that I don't know how to drive. I definitely told y'all.
Next try.
Looking good. Never better, brother. Never better. He called me y'all. Oh my god. That is so embarrassing. It just so happened that he looked up when I looked up. Never better. Never better. Huh? You said give you some more? Me? What you call it? Oh, it really do? Yeah, it's semi-car was still dirty, so we had to clean it.
I need some more.
You said they're expensive, that's why I didn't want to.
It wasn't expensive.
Huh?
They wasn't expensive. It's $3.50. The other one was like 19.
Do realize the air is on. Huh?
Big ass container. Did you do this part?
Yes, I did.
I'm double checking.
See? I said he did me.
You do this part?
He said he's double checking. In other words, I didn't do it right. I don't clean cars like he does, guys. So, because I don't do it like him, he has to double check it. That's fucked up.
See another one on white. Thank you.
Okay, here's my registration. No, he about to come on this side and blow me, watch. Watch about to come on this side and blow me. What did I tell you? He's gonna come on this side and blow me.
Let me see.
He about to come over here with 1,000. He about to come over here and act like I didn't wipe shit. I just showed y'all I did a lot. And he gonna act like I ain't do nothing, watch. He gonna go back and wipe the same places I wiped, but he gonna do it 12 times harder. See, there you go, wiping again. Once I get the house together, I want to redecorate the car. Y'all know I'm a purple kind of person, so I gotta get some purple stuff. I might just order some Friday or next week Thursday. I might order some stuff for the car. Oh, shit, fell. You trying to kill me? Shit. He lets it fall. Damn. Y'all, everything I had in my car, sorry, everything I had in my car, y'all, was purple. I don't know why. Everything in this car, y'all, was purple. I don't know what the hell happened to it, but it's throwing me off because where's all my shit? I had purple everything, y'all. Like, I'm a purple kind of person, so I love to put purple everywhere. Okay. I'm just putting this here. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna give it to you.
No, I know. I just trying to be polite. That's why niggas don't say please. Next time they say, give me one, man. I know. Well, one niggas talk to you like that. That's disrespect.
No, I just won't answer you. You talk to your goddamn self. Fuck. It'd be disrespectful to you because it ain't disrespectful to me because I know I'm not a bitch, so I wouldn't be listening.
That's why I said please.
Yes, I heard you. Where's my other phone at? He said he's starting to get the munchies. He do realize that we got the air on in here. Have to send that out. You see my phone? That's your car right here.
Oh, no, I haven't. I think he just put it up or something.
I couldn't have put it up. Hold on, y'all. Cause I need to find my phone before we pull off from right here. Make sure I got my phone. Where's my phone? There you go. Had to find my phone. Well, y'all, I shall be back. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Because we winners, not losers. Bye.